Are you looking for the fuse box diagram and the location of the fuse boxes in your 2023 Audi Q8? In this guide, we will explore where to find the fuse boxes and explain how to read the diagram for easy identification of specific fuses. Cockpit fuse panel cover. The cockpit fuse panel cover, left side, in the 2023 Audi Q8 provides easy access to the vehicle's electrical fuses for troubleshooting and maintenance. It is located under the dashboard in the driver's footwell area, ensuring convenient access for fuse replacement. Driver's side footwell. The driver's side footwell provides space for the driver's feet and pedals, ensuring comfort and control. It often houses important components like the fuse panel, wiring, and sometimes the vehicle's control modules. The area is designed for easy accessibility during driving.
Luggage compartment fuse panel, left side.
Luggage compartment fuse panel protects and controls electrical systems in the rear of the vehicle, such as lighting and power outlets. It is designed for easy access and protection from damage. The panel typically includes fuses and relays for rear components.
Type of fuses: blade fuse, standard blade, fuse, mini blade fuse, maxi blade fuse, micro 2 fuse, micro 3 fuse, J-case fuse. Fuse, AGC fuse, SFE fuse. ceramic fuse, Bosch fuse, DIN fuse, PAL fuse, low-profile PAL fuse, standard PAL fuse, link fuse, mega fuse, high amperage link fuse, fuse conditions, blown fuse. A blown fuse means it's no longer functioning and needs replacement, while a perfect fuse is in good working condition and performing as expected. How to change fuses. Turn off the vehicle, locate the fuse box, identify the faulty fuse, remove the faulty fuse, inspect and obtain a replacement, install the new fuse, test the replacement. Safety precautions. Disconnect the battery. Wear protective gear. Use proper tools. Check for correct amperage. Avoid water exposure. If this guide on fuse box location and diagrams is helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.